Okay, today we have three white sneakers under 3000 rupees, and I am super duper excited for them. So without wasting any of the time, let's unbox them. What is up, people? This one is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, let's start with the first sneaker on this list. A first white sneaker which is under 3000 rupees. Let's go. This is the first pair we have, and it is from Puma, and I'm super excited. Like, I just feel excited when we have Puma sneakers, white sneakers, under budget sneakers, because all of you college going people, office going people, they need something for everyday wear. So great one to have. Let's go. So this is Puma Coat Curve, a full white leather upper sneaker from Puma. The silhouette is super sleek, super slim, very low profile silhouette, very versatile one as well. This is super lightweight sneaker, really comfortable, and will cost you very less. That is 2499 rupees. This is basically under 2500 rupees. This is a great pick if you want to have something versatile for office or college. Now we have second sneaker from, you know the brand. I hope you know the brand. It is Adidas, man. Like, I don't know. There might be some people who don't know the brand, so that's the reason I wanted to clear it out. So let's unbox this now. So this is Adidas Advantage Base. Again, a full white leather upper sneaker with this slim profile on it. The silhouette is very sleek, very simple. And I just want to tell you guys that whenever I see this sneaker, whenever I have this sneaker in hand, whatever it is, I remember Adidas Stan Smith because of this. And the price point, the price difference is huge. Like, Adidas Stan Smith will anywhere cost you around 5000, 6000, 7000. Like, on discount you get them around 5000 rupees, but this one will cost you half of that price, and that is the reason I really like this. This is a full leather upper sneaker, great for office and college, because you do not have to care about the sneaker a lot. Like, you care about suede sneakers, you have to really take care of them. It is not like that with leather sneakers. You can just clean it off with wet cloth or something like that, and it is ready to go. Decent in comfort, fits true to size, and will cost you very less. That is 2261 rupees. That is some insane price on this pair. Okay, now we move towards the next sneaker on this list, and it is from Puma. It comes in this vintage Puma box. Now they have recently introduced this kind of boxes, and it is a bit nice, but I like that green boxes more for some reason. But yes, nice box, so let's unbox it. This is Puma Caven 2.0. Again, we have this full white leather upper sneaker with different panels and that white textured leather on it. This is a bold and chunky silhouette, very similar to Nike Air Force 1. The sneaker has different panels all over it, and that is what gives a character to this pair. Good in comfort, fits true to size, and priced very well. This pair retails for 6000 rupees, but I have just got this pair for 2867 rupees. Just look at the price difference. I have got all these three sneakers from Amazon, and I have linked them in the description. So if you want to check them out, go in the description and check it out. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.